import dot CSS. Okay, so we have reached till here. And according to device, the background color was getting changed. That meaning the CSS was reflecting according to device. Your media query was effective now. In this, we have to add some more CSS. For this number of blocks, we have added 89 block. That 89 blocks should be manipulate according to CSS. Now come to the import.css file. We have written the class equal to service, and in my case, I have 8 service division, 8 division with the same ID. Service CSS we have started here, but we have not completed. So we can write in that text align center, padding hyphen top 100 pixel, or maybe you can reduce also 80 pixel, text align center 80 pixel, font hyphen size 40 pixel. Then after that, background white color, or maybe keep background is a black color. Color should be white color. Width, height should be 100 px nearly. Width should be, apply the margin also, margin 2%. Then after that, width 21%. Width 21%. So from top side, there is 40 pixel padding. Font size will be big font size. Background will be black. Text color will be white. Height will be 100 px. Margin 2% and width also 21%. If you run the file, float left no need to give because we have used the flex property, something like this. From top, little more happen height. Height look like we have to increase little. 120. Then it should look in the middle. And now it is coming in the middle. Okay, hope looking similar. Like number, 4 number in one line, 4 number in another line. Next, after that, you have to give color as a white. Color white you have to give.
Okay.
Inside the division, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside division, we have to keep the number. And after that, if the background is black, the text should be in white color.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Now media query says like, see in the large device also we have 4 block. Large device 4 block. A small device also 4 block. Medium device also 4 block. Here also same condition. Like everywhere we have the total number of block as a 4 only. So in large device is okay. It will be able to see properly. But in a small device will be problem. Because the content will become compressed. Okay, only 1, 2, 3 we have written, so it is okay. If we add more text, it will become look like a compressed. Okay, it will become a compressed. In that case, if it is compressed, then according to device, we have to change the width and height. Maybe height remains same, the width should get changed according to device. Media query we have written. Based on media query, we will modify the width. So come now. Here is the media query for 1 pixel to 600 pixel. Consider as a mobile number, mobile phone. In mobile phone, for the service class, width should be 96%. 96%. Why not 100%? Because we have given some space that you can see here. Margin we are given 2%. So margin we are keeping the same. We are modifying the width. So if device will be a small device, then the width will get changed to 96%. Okay, I've written this section. Now we'll come to the browser. We'll verify it. See, it's coming 98%. The row was coming, row converted into column. In one line, 4 was coming, all 4 gone to the new line. All division gone to the new line because we are given the width 96% and after 96% of the width, there is a margin also. Including margin and 96% of the width, it will become 100%. Okay, next after that, so what is happening now? Once we increase little, we will follow the rule. In medium device, that is 601 to 800, we would like to display the two section in one line, two block in one line. For that, width will be how much? 46%. 46% is width and 2% is margin. 50%. 50% will take one division, 50% will take another division. Let us check now. A small device, one block. Medium device, two block. But once it will come to the large, 3 will get applied, not 3, 4 got applied. So in this case, we want to keep it a 3 block. Till here, it should be 3 block. 3 block. Okay, so we can keep here. And we can write here again. In this case, last one should not be 46%. If you want to create 3 block, then 33.33% will come. But margin we are given 2%, 4% margin is required. So in this case, total 29.33% will be the width. (29.33% will be the width. So it will fit total 3 division. You can see 3 division. In mobile phone, only 1 block each line. Little big size. Tab view, tablet view. 2 block in one line. This is called a small laptop, mini laptop. Medium device, in that 3 block in one line. And if it is large device, 4 block in one line. So this way you have to write the media query, and according to need, you have to rearrange the content. Try once, let me know working or not working. Okay, so page is getting rearranged, content is getting rearranged according to device. This is called media query. Now next we can come to the same file. Inside the same file, look at here, H1 you have written, write a ID for H1 called title. Title, okay. Title, after that, we can come to the CSS file, and if it is a small device, see here if it is a small device, font size is such a big, we have to reduce that. If it is a medium device, it should be little smaller. Till here it should be smaller. Okay. Once it's going the large device, then the font size is okay. Right. So you can see here for H1, somewhere CSS is written red color font size. So H1 you replace with this ID called title. So H1 CSS convert into has TITLE title. Has title. Okay. Color red, font size 50 px, text align center. Same output. Now for this ID, we have to change the font size and color combination according to device. Come down. In very small device, the color should be green and font hyphen size 20 pixel. Color is a green, font size is a 20 pixel. Color is a green, font size 20 pixel. In the medium device, or you can check this much first. In very small device, The font size should be smaller and color should be different. Green color. See it, it's fitting in one line. Same thing. We can add here. Font size. Color should be white color. Font size should be 30 pixel. Font size 30 pixel. Color is a white color. See, according to device, it's getting rearranged. In 3 device, we have to change again. Font size, white color, and font size 35px. Will fit properly, complete according to device. Okay, so hope you saw according to device. Hope something similar. Then now we'll leave this example. Okay, in the same page, there should be one UL tag. Let's come there before H1. Write one UL and null. Home. Hope UL is ready. So go ahead to the CSS file. In this UL, we can give ID, top nav, if you look into the browser, these all are a dependent tag. It's print in the new line. The block level tag as well as dependent tag. It print in the new line. Okay, next, come to the CSS file. We will write the CSS display flags for the top nav. Next, we can come to the CSS file, and for top nav, we need to write the CSS in beginning after service. Top nav. We can use here these two words, display flags. width 80%, margin auto. It will come in the same line, not same line. It will convert as a from display block to display inline. All LIs are coming in the same line. Next, after that, you can add a property list hyphen style hyphen type none to remove dot dot dot. Dot 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 is coming to remove that. List style type none is required.
Sir, what is this property about list type?
List style type, you can see, for li by default dot will come. For li by default dot will come. Now the dot will get removed.
Okay.
Use property list style type none. Inside now as top nav of li will have width now. Not width, we can add padding. Top bottom. Top 10 px. Left right 30 pixel. Bottom also 10 pixel. So now gap will get applied between two li. You will get solid gap. Something like this. Next for UL, also the backend we can add here, background. Dark blue or maybe black color. Padding is not there. We can add again color under the li. Color under the li. Background got applied. Text color also got applied. Now in that some top to bottom more space is required, or maybe we can increase the font size here. Twenty-five pixel. Should not be very big. 20 should be fine. Keep font size 20 pixel.
Sir, can you go up? I want to check the container CSS. Scroll up.
Let's come. So board navigation is ready. Let us see how that look. This look like this. Next, after that, this navigation, if you go in a small device, you can see it's become little here there. Correct? You can see till here is okay. But once it's gone under a small device, it's become little up down. So we have option, come to the very small device, top nav of LI. So for LI, we can change the CSS here. So under the top nav of LI, we have written top nav of LI, come down. This should go under the first, this a small device. Here we will reduce the padding. Padding are given 10, 30, 10. Reduce that. Give all the side. Top, bottom is okay. Left and right give less. 5. Reduce the font size to small only. 15 px. At this section, padding will get reduced and then font size will get changed. Tab nav of LI. See now, menu came in one line. This piece got removed. We can give little more left, right. Instead of 5, we can give 8. That also should be fine. 8 is also okay. In extra small device, in once it go a little bigger, we can decrease the padding. Font size will remain same. So copy this section and come back to the other block. We'll copy this. We'll go here. Inside this, the font size, let it be same. Padding change. This is under the medium device. A small device, we modified font size, font size as well as padding both. And in medium device, only we are changing the padding. Font size, leave as a remain. Font size, leave it the same, only change the padding. Then how it should work is in a small device also should get organized properly, and in medium device also get arranged properly. You can see like this. Correct. Next we have called extra large, not large device, that is the last media query. There also we can add something similar, and we can see how. Yeah, already under the large device also we can add the same section. Copy this and paste here. First see the problem what is happening. If you go little large device, see more than this, navigation is coming down. We can reduce the padding, it will manage properly. So here we can add top nav of LI 10 pixel, 15 pixel, 10, 15, 10. 10, 15, 10. Here also manage properly. Once it will go in the large device, it will be rearranged everything. Right, so hope you got idea how page will become as a responsive page. This page will work in all the device, in mobile phone, laptop, desktop, tab, everywhere. Okay, working something like this. Now, one small task for you. If it is a small device, the navigation background is coming as a black color. Navigation background is coming as a black color. Change to blue color. Navigation background is coming black color, change to blue color in a small device only. If it is a small device, mobile phone, then the background should change to blue color. Try changing one place. Only in this device, only in this range, only in this range, not in this range, not in this range, only in this range.
Yes, sir. Color is coming, but
Blue is coming. Just for the top nav,
yes,
for top nav here in a small device, for top nav you can change the background. Background, background. Only in a small device. How fully will come here? We need to apply only for top nav. See, become a blue color.
yes, sir.
Okay, next after that, in a small device, in this device, the background of this service convert into blue color. Background of service also convert into blue color. Only in a small device.
Yes, sir. Done.
Background below, we need to apply for the
Service.
where we have given the width 96%. Okay. In a small device, mobile phone, the top nav give position text and width 100%. In a small device, the top nav position keep is fixed and width 100%. Okay, back position is a fixed, but there is some problem now, right? Can you see here? The H1 is hiding below. Reason to hide is position fixed. So in that case, the title you have given this title. Here you apply the padding hyphen top 50 pixel. Padding top 50 pixel. Padding top 50 pixel. Say here. Now you will get proper space. In the case of a small device for body tag, keep margin 0 px. No any gap from any side. Margin 0 px. There should not be any gap from any side. Left, right, top, bottom, some space is coming. Thus space is not required. So it's become fixed here. Look like this in mobile phone. As it go little bigger, it will be scrollable. Little more bigger, will be as usual. Go to original screen, will be as usual. Okay, so करके Yeah, hope done. Okay, then we'll see you again tomorrow. Some more part of CSS we have. We'll finish soon.
So these are all part of CSS3, right?
CSS 2, 3 both are combined now.
Okay, okay, okay.
All videos are uploaded, but all are private. Let me see. It was throwing the error. YouTube was not able to add the new. I will add in the daytime, then I'll update you. Will guide you how to access. PM start.